This is the ECOVACS Deebot T90 Pro Omni. Cleaning your home with lovely pets around requires a robot vacuum that can handle serious messes. With powerful suction, a roller mop system that actually scrubs the floor like manual cleaning, smart AI obstacle avoidance, and a fully automated station that takes care of almost everything for you, then you're in the right place. Because today I'm comparing two robot vacuums, ECOVACS Deebot T90 Pro Omni versus Dreame L40s Ultra AE. And honestly, this comparison gets very interesting once we put them through real-world testing. One of them focuses heavily on raw cleaning performance and maximum floor scrubbing power, while the other delivers a more balanced premium experience with a traditional dual spinning mop system. So if you're wondering which one is the better choice for your home, this video is for you. Now let's get started. Let's do a quick unboxing of both models. Inside each box you get robot vacuum, Omni station, side brushes, mop system pre-installed, power cable, dust bag, and documentation. So setup only takes a few minutes. Now design-wise, both look premium, but there is one major difference. Both use LiDAR navigation, but the ECOVACS adds AI vision-based obstacle detection for smarter recognition. And both stations are fully automated with hot water washing, hot air drying, dust emptying, and detergent dispensing. So from the start, both feel premium, but they are clearly built with different cleaning philosophies. Now this is where the biggest difference starts. The biggest difference between these two robots comes down to the mopping system. Both support advanced edge cleaning technologies and can reach corners effectively, but they use completely different approaches. The ECOVACS Deebot T90 Pro Omni uses a roller mop with TrueEdge 3.0 edge cleaning technology. During long cleaning sessions, the roller maintains consistent pressure against the floor, which helps remove stubborn dirt and dried stains more effectively. Meanwhile, the Dreame L40s Ultra AE uses dual spinning mop pads with MopExtend, allowing one of the mop pads to extend outward for better edge coverage. Both systems are designed to improve edge cleaning, but the ECOVACS focuses on continuous scrubbing with a roller mop, while the Dreame relies on rotating mop pads to tackle dirt and reach difficult areas. If you need maximum suction power, this is where the ECOVACS Deebot T90 Pro Omni clearly takes the lead. The ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni offers 30,000 pascals of suction power, while the Dreame L40s Ultra AE provides 19,000 pascals. Both are very powerful, but the difference becomes noticeable during real-world cleaning tests, especially when dealing with larger debris and deep carpet cleaning. For this test, I scattered a large amount of paper debris on both the carpet and hard floor to see how effectively each robot could pick everything up in a single cleaning pass. The ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni felt extremely powerful. It prioritized cleaning the carpet first and then moved onto the hard floor. You can actually hear the difference in airflow. It pulled in larger debris faster and cleaned deeper into the carpet fibers. ECOVACS clearly feels more flagship level when it comes to raw suction power. One thing I really liked was how the T90 avoided disturbing my cat while she was sitting nearby. That's why a few small pieces of paper were left behind, as they were very close to her. Everything else was picked up successfully, and the dustbin ended up filled with paper debris. Overall, the result was quite impressive. For this test, on the other hand, I placed the same amount of paper debris on both the carpet and hard floor for the Dreame L40s Ultra AE test. It also did a good job overall and picked up most of the debris without any major issues. However, unlike the ECOVACS, it bumped into my cat, causing her to move away. This suggests that its pet avoidance system isn't quite as refined as the ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni. I also noticed a few more pieces of paper debris left behind after the cleaning run. This could be due to the lower 19,000 pascal suction power compared to the ECOVACS's 30,000 pascal. At the end of the test, the difference between the two was fairly clear. Both robots cleaned well, but the ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni delivered stronger suction performance, better pet avoidance, and a more complete cleanup result. I tested both robots with the same simple task: cleaning a coffee spill using their full mopping power on each side. With the Dreame L40s Ultra AE, I initially thought it had done the job because it finished quickly after 2 cleaning passes and returned to the station to wash its mop pads. But when I checked the floor, some coffee stain was still left behind. The mop itself was cleaned properly, but the floor wasn't fully clean, and the robot didn't go back to re-clean the area. I would rate its mopping performance 3 out of 5 stars. The ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni, however, feels much closer to real scrubbing. With the same coffee spill, the roller mop stays in constant contact with the floor and continuously refreshes itself while cleaning. Instead of dragging dirty water around, it keeps working with a clean surface each time. After the run, the white tissue test showed almost no residue, and the mop was automatically washed at the base station. It then gets hot air dried, so it's fully ready for the next use. This is where the T90 really stands out. Sticky stains break down much faster even on the first pass, and overall I would give it a 5 out of 5 stars for mopping performance. I'm now doing a hair tangling test on both vacuums, especially if you have pets at home. First, let's give a chance to the Dreame L40s Ultra AE, which comes with an anti-tangle brush design. In one round, this vacuum didn't suck up all the hair completely. It left behind quite a lot, so I would give it 3.5 stars out of 5. However, the brush stayed clean and no hair got stuck inside it. The ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni features the ZeroTangle system. This helps reduce hair wrap compared to older robot vacuums and even this Dreame model. Because of its powerful 30,000 Pascal suction, it sucked up all the hair nicely in just one round. I also found that the T90's brush stayed much cleaner with no hair stuck in the brush at all, requiring less maintenance. So for pet owners, the ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni has the advantage in this area, and I would give it 5 stars out of 5. The ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni features innovative power boost technology for longer, more efficient cleaning. Its smart power management system helps maximize coverage, while the EV-grade pouch battery offers up to 1.6 times longer battery lifespan. During routine mop washing, Power Boost can restore 10% battery in just 3 minutes, helping the robot continue cleaning with minimal interruption. This allows it to cover up to 500 square meters in a single task, even at maximum cleaning settings. When it comes to the docking stations, both are highly automated and handle almost everything for you. They support automatic dust emptying, 75 degrees Celsius, hot water mop washing, hot air drying, automatic detergent dispensing, and water refilling, which means daily maintenance is kept to a minimum. Overall, both stations are excellent and deliver a hands-free cleaning experience, but the ECOVACS setup feels a bit more focused on maximizing real-world cleaning performance. So here's the simple breakdown. Choose ECOVACS Deebot T90 Pro Omni if you want maximum cleaning power, stronger suction, deeper mopping performance, better pet hair handling, and more advanced AI obstacle avoidance. This is the more aggressive, performance-focused robot vacuum. Overall, both are very powerful robot vacuums. But in my testing, the ECOVACS T90 Pro Omni delivered stronger and more consistent cleaning performance, especially in mopping and suction power. And that makes it the more impressive machine in this comparison. If you want to check current prices, the links are in the description. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.